shocked because this is the first time a film of mine is releasing on OTT. I think it's going to be a different experience. I think it has a lot of other advantages that this being a world premiere. I think everybody is going to be able to watch this from June 19th in much more easier access. So just can't wait. So I picked this particular film because after the success of Mahanati in Telugu, I was looking out for a similar woman-centric, strong subject in Tamil as well, and I thought this could be the film. And what I really liked about Penguin is that the whole film talks about motherhood. It's about a mother who's in search of her son. It happens in 4 days, and I like the fact that this is not just a thriller, but it's an emotional thriller where 60% of the film is filled with a lot of emotions, and the journey that she goes through is where she has 40% of these thrilling elements. So yeah, I think it's a nice genre to explore as well. I think every day is a challenge at shoot, and yeah, we had a lot of challenges starting from the look test to crack the look. Not just a mother, I'm also a pregnant woman in the film. So to crack the costumes, I think this is the first time I'm doing winter costumes in a film, and yeah, because we were shooting in a hill station. So cracking those kind of costumes with the belly, the right kind of makeup, lighting, and everything put together, it's like a package, and we kind of cracked it in the very first look test. And going further, I actually once I signed this film, I asked my mom a few basics about pregnant women, and yeah, so she did give me a few tips, and my director is my all-time reference. So when I'm at shoot, I keep shooting 100 questions to him, and he has answer for everything. He's very patient, Ishwar, and so he's a father, so he definitely knows how it works, the pregnancy period of a woman. So I used to ask him a lot of questions. How do we walk? How do we sit? How do we bend? How should I sleep? So these are just some basics, but I didn't. I wanted it to be flawless, and so all throughout he was there to help me, and I think we cracked it as well. Yes, Mahanati was a biopic. Yes, this one, like I said, it's not a thriller. It's an emotional thriller. And how do I choose my scripts? I don't know. Depends on the content, on the kind of character. Like this kind of genre I've not done before, so I wanted to try it. This kind of character I've not done before, so I want to try it. So just trying to explore with new kind of characters and stories, and how I line up my projects also depend on what I've done before, what I'm going to do after that. So what must come in between. Just sometimes a few calculations do help me. I loved working with Ishwar, and for that matter, the whole team, and I would love to do a film with the same team again. Ishwar, when he narrated the script to me, he narrated for about 4 hours and more, and I actually was just glued on to his narration. I just didn't know that time was going on, and so that's the kind of strong narration that he gave. So if I just don't look at my watch, I think definitely he's a very strong narrator, and also that the content is very strong. And I was very curious how he's going to execute it, but he is very good when it comes to execution. So when we were at shoot, I think we shot this film in about 35 days. So for a debutant director to schedule a film like this in 35 days is something very huge. And we did have a lot of challenges in between, the locations, and I think we had to bear a lot of we had